Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, LED headlights, convertible soft top, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.